I haven't quite got the turning the corner thing done yet.
Gotta steer. Gotta steer. Go this way, dude. No, don't let go. There you go. Go that way. Here. There. Come on. Come on. Come on.
Holy butt crack.
Shut up, Joe. I'm recording. Come on. Come here. Turn the corner. This is almost his second lap around the living room, Joe. Where you going? You gotta learn how to turn it. Learn how to turn it, babe. There you go. Here. This way. There. Yeah. Good job.